Hi, my name is Kari and I'm the product architect here at FieldSync. What I'd like to go over with you today is a new feature that we just released in our 2.4.6 version, allowing you to add new customers from the mobile device. So in previous versions, the only way that you were able to add new customers to your FieldSync instance was to come into the web application, come into the customers module, and add your new customers here. We realize that many of you, depending on the type of business that you run, might have the need to add new customers to your database on the fly when you're out providing a service to your customers. So we've added this ability, the ability to either turn on or off the Add Customer and the Edit Customer functionality on the mobile application. So let me show you first of all how to get that set up. Now by default, all of our customers have this turned off, because this was the initial setting. But to turn on that ability, you simply come to the settings area. So you can either get there through that toolbar menu or from the dashboard. You can go into settings, come to the security tab, and at the bottom of the security settings, you will see a couple of new checkboxes. So first of all, the Add Customers on Mobile. If you check this box, which I'm going to do now, you will have the ability to add a new customer from your mobile application. If you also want your users to be able to edit customers, you can check this box and then make the save. Now keep in mind that depending on your business, you may or may not want your staff that's out in the field to be able to edit customer information. So you may have one or the other turned on. You also may not want them to add new customers, but let's say, for example, they visit a customer and their phone number changes. You might want them to have the ability to go in and edit that information, but not add any new customers to the database. So now that we have those settings set, I'm going to go over to my mobile application. What I'll do is show you first of all, before I've synchronized, when I go into my customer information, you will see that I do not currently have the ability to add any new customers. I simply see a list of my existing customers. Also, if I select on a customer, I do not have the ability to go in and edit them. I simply can go into each of these categories and view the information, but not make any changes. So let's go back to the dashboard or the main menu, and I'm going to synchronize my device now. Now what this will do is pull down those settings that we just changed on the web, and you will see that the ability to add and edit customers will be displayed. Okay, so now when I go into my customer information, you will see I have a new button here that says Add. So I now have the ability to select that button, and I will be taken to a screen that allows me to enter in all of the information that I'm used to seeing on the web, as far as all of the different fields that are available for your customer information, and I can enter that information here and save the customer. Now once I've saved a customer, I'm going to cancel out of that just for the sake of the time. Then I can also go in to an existing customer once I've added them, or go into one that already exists, and you can see now up here in the upper right hand corner I have an edit button. So I can select that edit button and it will take me into that customer's information, and I can come in and make a change. So just for the demo, I'm going to add in a second address. So let's say I have an apartment number for this customer. So I'll add in apartment 34. I'm going to save that. And now when I synchronize that information, that data will also go back up to the web application and be available not only to those on the web, but it will also be available to the other mobile users. So let's go back to my dashboard. I'll go into my customers. Here I can see my customer Haley. I'll choose Edit for Haley. And now you can see that apartment 34 has been added to her address, and I've been able to update that information in the field. As you can see, there are a lot of uses that will make this a beneficial feature to our customers using the FieldSync application. And for those of you who would rather not have your mobile staff making those changes. They won't even know that the feature is available unless you decide to turn those settings on. That concludes my training on the add and edit customer information on the mobile. If you have any questions about this functionality or anything else, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.